Now we will discuss one of the most important fundamental part of angiospermic plant body, which is a seed. As we have discussed earlier, that seed is developed from the ovule after the process of fertilization, and that seed basically develops within the fruit. These seeds are basically produced as a result of sexual reproduction, and that contains a young embryo which ultimately develops into a new plant. If we discuss about the structure of the seed, that structure has a testa. Testa is basically the outermost coat of the seed, and that protects the embryonic plant. Protection is its role. Second is the micropyle. Second portion is the micropyle. That is basically the tiny pore which is present on the opposite tip of the radicle, and it permits water and gases to enter into the embryo before active germination. Next portion is the cotyledon. Cotyledon is basically the portion that contains high quantities of starch, and that provides basically the food to the developing embryos, and it acts as a source of food for the developing embryo prior to germination. Next portion is the radicle. Radicle, that is basically the embryonic root, which develops into the primary root of the plants after the process of germination. It's usually the first part of the embryo to push its way out of the seed during the process of germination. Next is the plumule. That is the embryonic shoot. And the remaining structures in a plant. If we draw a structure of the seed, then you can see that seed could be like this. This is the micropyle. This basically the radicle. This is the cotyledon, and this is the outermost portion which is known as the testa.